And whenever I'm here, there's one place I always drift toward, a place that feels quieter, softer, and somehow warmer. Indigo has this gentle charm, the kind that invites you to slow down, breathe, and wander without any rush. The moment you step inside, the world outside seems to soften. Books, warm lights, wooden shelves. Everything feels welcoming. I find myself pausing at displays, running my fingers along the covers, feeling the quiet